Hello there, Sanity Seekers. Today I'm making the Mad Hatter's studio a little more mad. First I need to make some mirrors, because A, you need to see what your hat looks like on, and B, the second Alice in Wonderland book is called Through the Looking Glass. I have these neat little pictures I'm going to use. The hat will be a sign, so I'll frame it with some cardboard and stick it on with some glue. There's a real obsession with time throughout Alice in Wonderland, so I've done a clock section with metal gears and chains. I've hung the chains over the beam and glued pocket watches to the ends with super glue, so they hang right in front of his sewing machine so he can keep a close eye on that time. The pocket watches are nail art embellishments I bought online. Now the next very important step is his obsession with tea, which we have put everywhere. Multiple cups of tea everywhere. Cups of tea full, cups of tea empty, cups of tea tipped over with a little bit of tea dribbling out. There's teapots and sugar and tea cakes and bickies here and there. Just as I imagine it would be like as the Mad Hatter obsesses over his craft, drinking tea and leaving it haphazardly around his studio, grabbing a sip here and a bite there in between working on his beautiful creations. I've put a vine in a ceramic milk jug to fill an awkward spot in the attic and to cover a hole in the wall where the light's wire comes through. I then felt I needed to have a cane, a swagger stick and an umbrella by the front door, so I made these out of beads, toothpicks and a little fabric. I popped them in a big ceramic jug and kept them by the front door, keeping with the tea theme. Last but not least, a Cheshire Cat. I have a little cat here that I accentuated the eyes and extended the green with a permanent pen. I coloured him pink and purple with some acrylic ink and covered him with purple iridescent mica powder for a nice furry shiny look. I popped him at the top of the stairs so he can oversee the goings on, as cats often tend to do. I thought I would share this little bit of me baby talking to my dog. Enjoy. Oh, Phoebe. Oh, it's the most beautiful. It's a Phoebe. It is the Phoebe. You're so brave. You are so brave. You're the bravest. Are you the bravest? And then awkwardly show you around the studio. which I have now officially finished the inside of. The next video will be on doing the windows and the outside, and then this project can be called Dunsky. Thank God. It's been going for a while now. So that is me for now, my friends. I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, hit that subscribe button and we'll hang out some more. I really appreciate you spending your time with me, and as always, I'm super keen to hear what you've been working on down below. In the meantime, stay safe, sane and creative, my fellow sanity seekers, and I shall see you again very soon. Bye. Are you the bravest?